Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit videos with 4K quality in the CapCut mobile. So here, what you need to do is add your clip and go to adjust, go to grabs, and do this for all of the colors. Okay. Do the exact same thing. After this, you can just go back, click on a check icon and add the blur effect that you can find in the video effect under the lens category. Adjust the blur to around 80. Click on a check icon and set it for all of the clip. Now export this video. So after you've done exporting, you can just delete the effect and also the adjustment here and go to overlay and add the video that you just saved as overlay. Okay, so I've already added video, so just adjust the size to be the same with the main video like this, and then go to blend. Now click on darken or hard. Select the burn and set it to around 65. Click on a check icon. Now add a white overlay from the stock video. Okay, this one. Okay, so in here, adjust the size until it covers all of the clips. Go to blend, overlay, and select it to around 40. Click on a check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.